Welcome back everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about object oriented programming, which is basically classes and objects in Swift 3.0. So you can consider class as a blueprint which can store variables as well as methods or functions. So I think it will be better if I tell you about classes and objects while writing code. You will understand it much easier. So let's start by creating a class called vehicle. So this is a simple playground. Let's make it smaller. So what I will do is class, and the name of the class is vehicle. This is how we declare a class, and these are the curly braces in which we want to write, in which we can define variables and methods of a class, which are called members. So let's for a vehicle, let's say a vehicle can have a color and also number of tires. So we will create a variable called color, and color is always of type string. And let's create a second variable which is tires, and it is of type int. So basically these two are the members or variables of the class vehicle, and it can only be accessed by the objects of vehicle. Okay, I will demonstrate this to you how we can access them later once we are done with our class. So now we can also create methods or functions inside our class. So let's create two different functions which will set the value of color. So first I will create the function for setting color. Func, let's say, is of color, and in the arguments it will take color. Okay, so color is already here, so let's name it something else. Let's name it C, and it will be of type string. And inside this function what we can do is we can do self dot color equal to C. Now we will create another function to set the number of tires. So I will name that function number of tires, and it will take a single argument called T, which denotes tires. We can set self dot tires to be equal to T. Okay, so this was all the code that we are going to write in our class. So basically this class vehicle has two members, data members actually, which are called color and tires, and two functions is of color and number of tires. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create objects for this class and see how we can set and access the value. So of which is a vehicle. Okay, now let's make them private so that we cannot access them outside the class. And now let make functions which can display the number of tires and the number of color. So we can do display color, and it will just do it will print what I'm going to do is, okay, the color of the vehicle is what is the color? Okay, it's COLOR only. Okay, now I will create another function which will display the number of tires. And I will use a simple print statement, and I will do number of this vehicle has total mm, dash tires. Okay, so we are done with both the functions. I think we can do one more addition, and that addition will be to add the name of the vehicle. Okay, so let's do that now. Private var name, it will be of type string. Let's add functions for this. Func has name, it will take an and it will be in string. Self dot name equal to an. Okay, now I will need a method to display the name. Okay, I will do the print statement. Let's okay, the name of this vehicle is, this will have the name. Okay, so instead of the color of vehicle, we can replace it by name. Okay, and instead of this also we can replace that by name. And we can also do one more thing. Func display information, which will display all the information about the car, about the particular vehicle. So let's use a print statement, and we can do first name has dash tires and is of dash color. Okay, so I think we are done with all the methods, so let's make some objects. I will make it go up. Okay, so from here let's create some objects. So first we will create object, let's say create an Honda car. Okay, so we will do let Honda equal to vehicle. Now I can do Honda dot, and I can do no. Okay, let's Honda dot has name, and I can pass the name Honda city. Okay, now I can do Honda dot is of color, let's make this blue. Honda dot number of tires, obviously 4. Let's make another object, and this time it should be a bike. Okay, Suzuki vehicle. So we can do Suzuki dot as name. We can do Suzuki Hayabusa, and Suzuki dot is of color, let's do it black. And Suzuki dot number of tires is 2. So basically we have created two different objects, and let's now print their information, and let's see whether our class is working or not. So first for Honda, we will do Honda dot display color. No, first I will do display information, and then Honda dot display color, Honda dot display name, Honda dot display tires. And now for Suzuki, Suzuki dot display information, Suzuki dot display color, Suzuki dot display name, Suzuki dot display tires. let's wait. And I don't know. Okay, so basically these are all optional, right? So we have to do it like this. Okay, we have to unwrap the optional, and let's go down and let's wait till it is running. Okay, now make it bigger. It's nice. So you can see that our first was Honda City has 4 tires and is of blue color. The color of Honda City is blue. The name of this vehicle is Honda City. This Honda City has total 4 tires. And same information for the Hayabusa. So basically this was about objects and classes in Swift and how you can create classes and their objects. So thank you for watching this video.